नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। एपिसोड नंबर 8 में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इन दिस एपिसोड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट negotiations strategy. And if you're directly listening to this audio, I will encourage you to go back to episode number 1 and listen to it from there because there's a reason for that. Alright, don't just listen to this episode. Start from the scratch, start from the beginning. Start from the first standard. Don't just directly jump into the 8th standard. Alright? With that, let's dive in. And I'm very excited about today's episode and I'll tell you why. क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल को 2 स्किल्स की मास्टरी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। एक, he should be master at how to search a job, and 2, he should be really good at how to negotiate his or her salary. Because एक negotiation अगर आपने नहीं किया, if you miss out on one of the negotiation, high probability it will impact in the future career moves as well. Now some of you do definitely agree to this because I know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, and you also know कि इसका impact क्या होता है. इसका impact आपके खुद के करियर पे नहीं होता है, but its impact is also on the families that we live with. Why? Because it impacts the standard of living of that entire family. Yeah. So let's understand some of the basics about negotiation. सबसे पहले what I'm talking about is the salary negotiation that happens in an engagement where you're joining an organization. और जब हम वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वी आर पॉसिबली इन रियल नीड एंड majority of the time we operate from the phase that if we negotiate we might even lose the offer at end. So better let's not talk about negotiation. Let's first secure a job and then we'll see. 80-85% लोग तो यहीं पर छोड़ देते हैं नेगोशिएशन एज अ सब्जेक्ट। एंड मैं आपसे बताऊं, मैंने बहुत वेबिनार्स किए हैं लास्ट 2 साल में, ऑलमोस्ट 500 वेबिनार के ऊपर किया होगा। मेजॉरिटी ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स दे डोंट नो दैट दे कैन नेगोशिएट। उन्हें तो यही लगता था कि रूल ऑफ थंब इंडस्ट्री का ये है कि यू गेट 30% सैलरी हाइक, दैट्स इट। एंड नाउ इवन दैट हैज रिड्यूस्ड टू 25 or even 20%. You will be shocked to hear that there are a lot of professionals who join organization at a lesser package than what it was earlier. Now, while I understand organizations have their own challenges in terms of hiring, they have challenges in terms of, COVID is there and stuff. But it's personal aspiration of an individual to grow even as a salary package. Now, how do you do that is what we're going to talk about. While I have a lot of sympathy with organizations who are having tough time in HR trying to hire people at a lesser cost, good, it's their job. But I'm on the side of working professionals who can really get and win the negotiations for themselves. So this podcast is going to be aligned with that. So let's go to basics. And let's understand why people do not negotiate. As I said, number 1, as a fear of failure. What if I lose the opportunity itself in chase of negotiation? So let me take a safe bet and get the offer, get the opportunity and get the job first instead of getting a negotiation or winning a negotiation. Another fear that people have when it comes to negotiation is possibly they don't know how to negotiate and hence they don't negotiate. And I also see that a lot of senior professionals as well who are highly undervalued, they do not negotiate because of one baseline observation that I have, that what I bring on the table is so generic, it's not really valuable, I'm easily replaceable Hence, they'll find someone else if I get into negotiation. Now, while to some extent there might be reality to what you said, but I also believe that it is also equally about your ability to market, brand, and sell your skills in the conversation. So where does that belief come that what I bring on the table is not of really value? Where does that belief come from? Maybe it comes from a belief that I am not good enough. I am not good enough. I don't add much value to the organization. I am easily replaceable. Now, again, as I said, there might be some reality to it, but not entirely it's true. You are working for a reason in an organization. You are adding value to the organization, and it's fair exchange of skills versus the package that you get. It's not that organization is doing a justice to you by hiring you. Even they are getting one of the problems solved via you. It can be related to people, it can be related to process, it can be related to technology. I don't know. Does it impact to the top line of the organization in increasing sales, or does it impact the bottom line of the organization increasing margin? But if the sheer fact that you're working, it tells me that you are adding some value to the organization, and in that exchange you are getting paid. Now, can you increase the portfolio of adding value? Absolutely yes. Should you do that? Absolutely yes. Should you not negotiate until then? Absolutely no. So do you understand why a lot of people and working professionals, senior executives, highly undervalued is only because of one of these reasons. The second thing that I want to talk about is, let's understand what is negotiation. Now, a lot of people say like communication, even negotiation is a skill. A lot of people say negotiation is something that I need to learn. But I personally believe, after studying all these professionals who got negotiations done for them, that negotiation is a skill that requires a right mindset. Let me repeat that. Negotiations is a skill that requires a right mindset. And if you are not tuned into the right mindset, there's no way that we are going to win the negotiation. If you agree to what I just said, smile. Smile if you agree to what I just said. And a lot of people go to Google, search on how to negotiate, read some article, watch some videos, and they go to the interview next time. They try to negotiate and they fail. And they say that, Yogesh, आपने तो बोला था negotiation कर सकते हैं. I tried negotiating, I lost an opportunity. What are you doing? Just because of you, I lost an opportunity. Don't blame me. I also told you the second secret, which is negotiation is a skill that requires a right mindset. If you're not tuned into the right mindset, you will miss out on the negotiation. Now, what is the mindset that I'm talking about? The mindset that I'm talking about is the mindset of value. The mindset of what value can I add to the organization. The focus is on the value in the negotiation. The focus is not on you winning. The focus is on win-win. You win, organization win. And when you come from that space of having a win-win and not just you win, or you thinking, okay, with less work, how can I extract more from the organization? Gone are the days. Okay. So here, please remember, negotiation is a skill that needs the right mindset. And the third thing which I want to really highlight, which will bring in more awareness about negotiation to you, is about practicing negotiation. think about it. We work for 30 years and let's assume at the max we will do 50 negotiations in 30 years. And let's talk about recruiter, hiring manager, person who is responsible to hire you. How many negotiations will they do in a year? In a year, they do at least 50 negotiations. In a year, as part of their job, to hire multiple candidates, they do 50 negotiations in a year. In 30 years of time, they do 1,500. Versus you maximum doing 50 negotiations in 30 years. Highly possible you will lose out if you're not rightly equipped. So my submission here is, do not take negotiations lightly. It is one skill that you got to master in detail. And here I encourage you to drop a note to me on jogesh@jogesjain.com that, you know what, Jogesh, I need to learn negotiation. And I'll send you a link of a program that you'll have to invest into that will upskill you holistically to win the next negotiation. I hope this episode has really helped you to bring and get that clear awareness, and I'm really wishful that you will go deep with this subject, master the skill, and win that negotiation for yourself next time when you negotiate. With that, see you in the next episode. God bless you guys. Keep listening.